Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this lovely Suzuki Swift 1 litre Boosterjet SZ5 Auto. Now this vehicle has currently done 4,642 miles and it's finished in the colour Super Black Pearl. It comes with full Suzuki service history. It's been well looked after over the low mileage it's covered, having 4 services completed. It sits nicely on 16-inch alloy wheels. You've got LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. This Swift also features keyless entry and go, making access into the vehicle much easier. You can unlock and start the vehicle without needing to take the key fob out of your pocket. In the boot you will find 265 litres of space. This can be increased to 579 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have a lovely cloth interior. It features ice fix points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable behind the wheel. To the left of the steering wheel you have controls for adjusting the infotainment system. To the right you'll find your cruise control, which is perfect for those motorway journeys. You've got your display here in the instrument cluster with access to different driving data such as your average miles to the gallon. You also have your motion sensing feature and also your engine data. This Swift comes with the pre-collision warning system and lane departure warning system to keep you safe and secure when you're on the go. Centered here in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. The system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music with USB, auxiliary input, Bluetooth and also your SD input. You've got your Bluetooth telephone menu here where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. The system does come with navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. You do have your smartphone connectivity as well to keep you well connected with your phone. This Swift does come with a reverse camera to make parking much easier. Below from the display you'll find your air conditioning, which is nice and simple to use. Below this you have a 12-volt socket, your USB and auxiliary input. In the center console you have 2 cup holders as well as your automatic gear selector.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.